What's up? Good morning. Problem with the Acura TL this morning. I have I'm assuming it's a misfire. It's running real rough, and check engine light is flashing. So that's usually not good when it's flashing. I got the scanner, and I'm gonna scan it here. It was smelling real rich when I first started it. You can definitely tell that it's missing. Cylinder 6 misfire detected. So it's only one. That's good. So we're gonna figure out. So now we gotta figure out what. I have a cylinder 6 misfire. I'm gonna screenshot this on this in the video. Cylinder 6 misfire. I gotta find out what. I gotta figure out which one's cylinder 6, and when cylinder 6, where cylinder 6 is, and then I'm gonna replace all of the spark plugs and the coil for number 6, because coils are usually kind of expensive, so we're gonna kind of try to just replace one. This morning I got to ride the skateboard to the auto parts store because I ain't got the car, so skateboard it up. Alright, so gotta go. I'm going to get my parts. I gotta get my parts, fix the car. There we go, on the skateboard. Cylinder 6 misfire. I'm gonna take the coil off. I'm gonna replace the coil. And hopefully the problem just stops here, so I can just know what the problem is. Let's see, the gapping calls for 0.44. This is at way more. This is at like 7. This is horrible. Oh, I gotta change all these. This is horrible. I can't believe it. I can't believe this thing ran. Alright, here we go. I replaced the coil, all the spark plugs. Okay, replaced all the coils, replaced one coil, replaced the spark plug. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it starts. Perfect. You can hear now how it's not missing. It actually sounds really great. Better than it did.